Today I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on your ULEFONE 70 Pro. Start of opening your calendar application, and there we can change view for a month and tap on day when we want that our event, maybe 23 of January. There this plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part we can set to which group is it. It's about our family event or something like that. There we can set when event starts, in which time and finish, or we can set it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month, every week, every day, what you prefer. There we can add video conference and add people to this event. There we can add location of that, notification, and we can add more than one notification if we want it. There we can change color about our notification to this event, and there add description to that. In this part we can add attachment, and after you set all you need, press save, and that's all, we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.